Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
National General Secretary Jokan National People's Party ubak singa bhalang dhar ubalong ru sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala. Ulakam bakat kum ki kaipot balayok lum namadan kipan pau ba ka Kyrtong joka NPP ka metap Chandi Sangma kala Kham pau ba Shakhmat ha ka election sitang samoy ka ban salong ha Gambe Grey constituency ha bayanu jor pat ki wei pat ki Kyrtong ki ba aireng ha ki election. Ha ba kerpat ki pat ba jongka Gambe Grey ban ajing kersyan ya ka metap Chandi Sangma. Kabadairu ka kurem jong Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Kongkal Sangma ubak singa bhalang dhar ulaong ba ka thong ba Shakhmat jong ka parti kalong manwara ka roi ka par hapo ka constituency.
As of today, the report is very, very positive from the ground. Our country is very, very much ahead. So hopefully we will request the people, the whole people of Gambari to support our party candidate. And the latest report till last night, we are very much ahead if we are comparing with the other candidates. Oh, you see, every party has got the right to say no, nobody can harm them. BJP they will fight on their own, Congress on their own, TMC on their own, and NP on their own. Simple as that. The main point it seems so. I haven't been there. What the candidate is always talking from people. Mainly, our candidate since one ruling party always focus for development only. Mainly, always. I cannot say that he didn't do much because he's a full-timer MLA. If I'm not a mistake, so let us see with this coming result. I think result will speak more than anything else. I think he's very much below our candidate as per report.